expect that you've got quite a pipeline over there, a lot of activity in the hopper. What's it going to look like in a couple of years as far as what capabilities you'll be rolling out there?
We do. We've got a lot of good things in the pipeline. I think three things I'm most excited to see in the coming year or three. I think one is removing additional barriers that we can. So I mentioned earlier, we have a shared service platform, and that it helps eliminate some of the barriers of entry for people getting started with things like RPA. We know there's still more. So what can we do there as a shared service to eliminate some of those additional challenges? One of the things that we've recently done is we've recently deployed an unattended RPA infrastructure that, again, is available for other groups to use. But we also want to look into potentially piloting, can we offer virtual workspaces within the Advana environment to do both development and runtime. So one of the challenges we still see with the groups that are connecting to various platforms is, do they have their own virtual environments today? So that's a challenge that folks are facing, and looking across the different groups that partner with us, how could we potentially offer and help address some of those issues that we're seeing? So we have a couple of things in the works there. I'm sure there will be more, but I'm excited most about the unattended as well as potential opportunities to offer virtual environments. I think the second area is really just expanding and getting more use cases that are going beyond RPA. What can we do with machine learning in conjunction with RPA, AI, but potentially even getting beyond RPA? Maybe we have some use cases that don't have any RPA components. So I think there, again, we'll be kind of building that inventory, and hopefully we'll be having more pilots, more deployments of solutions that expand into intelligent automation and AI. And then the third area, and I know we've touched on this, a number of folks have touched on this, is really kind of growing the inherent capability within our workforce. So industry partners are always super critical. They're going to remain very important. But as we really adopt and embrace emerging technology, how do we ingrain that in our government base? And that's in our culture as well as in our workforce, and getting people within the government space trained and comfortable developing this right now. I see a lot of in this space now where we've got a pretty heavy reliance on contractors, but I think as we embrace this technology across the department in DoD, there's going to be further adoption, and again, just ingraining that within our workforce and getting folks trained and comfortable with that.